Got tagged in a story? It's time to spread the love and share it with your followers in a snap. Let's get started. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to repost Instagram stories you are tagged in. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open your Instagram app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner and open the chats where you have been tagged. If you have been tagged in a story, you will see a button that says add this to your story at the bottom. Simply tap on it and the story will open in the story editor. Now you can personalize the repost by adding your own text, stickers, GIFs, or even drawings. Resize or reposition the original story by pinching or dragging it. Once your repost is ready, tap your story to share it. Finally, your followers will now see the story for 24 hours with your personal touch added. So this is how to repost Instagram stories you are tagged in. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.